Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a challenge offered up by Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And the word this month, she gives us a word each month, and we build a video, around it. And this month's word is beginnings, or beginning. Oh my God, I've got so many projects that are in the beginning phase. This is the first MIDI face that I have ever done a face up on. I've just begun it. I've got the Mr. Super Clear on all of these, and I'm getting ready to get them going. This is one I just finished. Well, she's not finished. She doesn't have her beads or anything yet. I love Blythes dolls, and can you see the filigree? I love that gold filigree on the black for these Wednesday Addams dolls. This is one that we are going to offer for sale soon on our website. And where are her? I only do 1 or 2 custom eyes because most people put it on one and they leave it there. Can you see those dark, dark brown eyes? Wednesday Addams from the 1963 and 4 TV show and forward has brown eyes. But I'll tell you, she's beautiful with blue or green. I have her outfits started. This one isn't finished. It's one I'm working on for her, kind of a nod towards the upcoming Tim Burton Wednesday Addams. And these little, and the stockings I need to get making for upcoming projects. See, I have beginnings of a whole bunch of stuff. This is, I'll show you this girl. This doll is going out to one of my subscribers. She has open and closed eyes that Darren adds to these dolls. I absolutely love it. You just pull gently on the beads. I name them because by the time you fiddle with the strings for these dolls and get it tied, you need the beads on there before you mail them out. I did a face up on her. It's a little dark because she's going to be a mermaid. And she is going to a home of one of my active subscribers. I make these dolls once a month. Yes, I am terribly behind. As you can see, I have 3 going and 2 that are waiting on clothes. These go out to my active subscribers. That is people who come to my channel, like and comment, and they watch many of my videos. And then I make these little dolls and send them out. And then you have to watch their channels to see what all the dolls come with. Darren makes 3D items and I make them clothes. So this is the beginning of one of those little dolls. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Tammy. Please go see Tammy's channel as well as all the other people that participated today in the challenge that Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley has put out. As you can see, a cat is on our driveway, and it's not a usual cat. Thank you for watching.